Critical library mismatch involving the Msclmd Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Avoid long manual edits for Msclmd library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Msclmd library, the Microsoft Common Log Manager, Downlevel. It manages unmanaged localized logging orchestration for localized system services, facilitating the localized data link to log manifests. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Msclmd Library DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Msclmd library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Msclmd Library DLL. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Msclmd library management. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Msclmd library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.